Silver Award Project.
Hannah Goforth,
Hadley Payne,
and Emma Parker.
Our basic project. We worked with the Charlotte Community Health Clinic to help them get their new garden together. We painted the watershed tanks and picnic table with the community, and we created a recipe book with the vegetables from the garden in it for their patients. With our fundraising money, we were able to purchase for the clinic a wooden picnic table, the tool shed, and 3 garden kneelers.
Beginning our project and planning. We had to start somewhere, so we held several meetings together and eventually came up with the idea to work with a non-profit health center. With a little research, we found the Charlotte Community Health Clinic. We began visiting to get an idea of what we were going to be helping them with. After getting in touch with Laura, the volunteer coordinator, we were introduced to Jill Lipson, the education program coordinator. Jill told us about how the clinic had recently opened a garden for the patients there and how it needed some sprucing up. After that, we contacted one another to figure out what kinds of things we could do to improve the garden, and thus the project was born.
Fundraising. To raise money for our project, we held several bake sales before Christmas. Going to the clinic. After our research, we found the Charlotte Community Health Clinic and began visiting to get an idea of what we were going to be helping them with. Jill, our wonderful coordinator, showed us the garden, which at this point was pretty empty. The clinic needed a tool shed, garden kneelers, and a picnic table. They had wooden fences that surrounded the giant water tanks, and we planned to paint both the watershed tanks and the picnic tables with some of the youth who had been patients at the Charlotte Community Health Clinic.
Priming the watershed tanks.
Painting the watershed tanks with the community. Putting the shed together.
Before.
After. Going to the board meeting. The Charlotte Community Health Clinic was grateful for the changes and improvements, and they invited us to their board meeting. There, we were recognized with many thank yous and congratulations, and even a thoughtful gift from our beloved coordinator, Jill. They were very thankful and impressed with the garden that we helped create. It was a great experience to go to the board meeting, and we hope that we can continue to work with the Charlotte Community Health Clinic.